Hi guys, welcome back to the second episode. In this video I'm showing you how to track your phone with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and bluetoothLowEnergy. If you are wondering why 3, the simple answer is while you're in home if you switch over to mobile data instead of Wi-Fi, your home assistant will put you away mode and you ended up with dark. So I will show you how to avoid the issue. We are using Room Assistant for Bluetooth tracking and bluetoothLowEnergy. If you don't know about what is BLE, just Google it. It is basically Bluetooth, but it had low energy mode which is best for tracking. So first head over to the link I have given below. Copy and paste it into your supervisor repository and search for Room Assistant and open it and install. Turn on Watchdog. Start the add-on. Check the logs as always. And you need to access the Home Assistant file to configure it. So if you don't know how to access files, I already made a video about it, so do check it out. In your file manager now you will find the Room_Assistant folder and open it. Create a local.yaml file inside the folder and copy and paste my code into it. Enter the name you want here to identify in MQTT. You need to give Bluetooth and BLE. If you don't want to track BLE, then just remove the lines. Now you need to enter your Bluetooth MAC address. If you don't know, I will show you how to find it on Android and iPhone's devices. For iPhone's users, you need to go about phone. Both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth MAC addresses will be available there. And in Android, you need to have the Home Assistant app installed, and go to Setting and click on Manage Sensors in Companion app. There you find the ID under BLE transmitting. And for iPhone users, they just need to download the Room Assistant app. You can copy and paste the code into the YAML file. And go back to the Home Assistant and restart it. Now go to the MQTT, there you will find your phones by the IDs you gave previously. Find it and rename it for better understanding. So after all you did. Now head over to the People section, give your devices according to the people's phones. This is how fast Bluetooth changes its state. If Bluetooth or Wi-Fi anyone available, then it will show you at home. Now let's move into the Wi-Fi. We are using NMap for tracking. NMap helps you to check devices whether it available or not. So by far, it's better than ping. It is only my personal preference. It may be different for you, but give it a try. First, we need to add NMap has integration. Give your Home Assistant IP address here. I will suggest you restart the server. Now go to NMap and select configuration, change scan interval to 10. And timeout to 120 so it won't give you a false trigger. Now go to Entities and find your device ID by the last 4 digits. Name it as you want to identify them. Now go to People. Finally, add the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi devices. I will show you how it works. If any Bluetooth or Wi-Fi was available, it will show at home. If both are absent, then it will change the state to away. That's it, guys, for today's video. In the next episode, I will show you how to turn on the front door light when you arrive home at night by using the location. So do subscribe and stay tuned.